Hello listeners, I'm Krishnapriya, currently pursuing my third BTech in Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women, Bhimavaram, Andhra Pradesh. So I'm representing Radio Vishnu 90.4 and I'm delighted to be a participant of this challenge. As a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav Community Media Challenge 2023, organized by Simca in partnership with UNESCO. Today, I want to talk about a remarkable initiative that has sparked a wave of transformation in our nation. Make in India is a visionary initiative launched by the Government of India with the aim of making our country a global manufacturing powerhouse. It seeks to promote indigenous manufacturing, attract foreign investment, create employment opportunities, and bolster economic growth. Under this ambitious campaign, several sectors, including automobiles, electronics, textiles, pharmaceuticals, and renewable energy, have witnessed remarkable progress. One of the key achievements of Make in India is the production of world-class products on Indian soil. Our nation's skilled workforce, combined with technological advancements and a favorable business environment, has paved the way for the creation of high-quality products that are not only meeting domestic demand but also finding their place in international markets. The Make in India initiative has not only encouraged domestic companies to enhance their manufacturing capabilities but has also attracted foreign investors to set up their production units in India. The Make in India campaign has given rise to a wide range of products that bear the tag of excellence. Indian manufacturers have demonstrated their prowess in producing goods that adhere to global quality standards. Our products now compete with the best in the world, and many have even surpassed expectations by earning international acclaim. Furthermore, Make in India has propelled innovation and research and development activities in our country. To stay competitive in the global market, Indian manufacturers have invested significantly in research and development, resulting in the breakthroughs and advancements across various sectors. This has not only boosted product quality, but has also led to the development of cutting-edge technologies and patents that contribute to our nation's intellectual capital. The success stories of Make in India are abundant. We have witnessed the rise of Indian automobile manufacturers who have not only designed and produced vehicles for the domestic market but have also become major exporters. Our pharmaceutical companies have made India the pharmacy of the world by manufacturing affordable, high-quality generic drugs. The textile industry has witnessed a resurgence with Made in India fabrics and garments gaining popularity worldwide. And our electronic manufacturers have proven the mettle by producing smartphones, televisions, and other gadgets that are sought after across the globe. Make in India has not only boosted our economy but has also instilled a sense of pride and confidence in the capabilities of Indian manufacturers. It has encouraged us to believe in our potential and provided a platform for us to showcase our skills and talent to the world. As we move forward, it is essential to continue supporting the Make in India initiative by promoting manufacturing and entrepreneurship. We can create more job opportunities, reduce dependency on imports, and contribute to the growth of our nation's economy. It is incumbent upon all stakeholders, including the government, industry leaders, and citizens, to work hand in hand to nurture this transformative campaign and build a prosperous India. In conclusion, the Make in India initiative has opened new origins of possibilities for our nation. It has ignited the spark of innovation, created employment opportunities, and placed India firmly on a global manufacturing map. Let us embrace this movement wholeheartedly and strive to make India a beacon of manufacturing excellence. So now, at this moment, I would like to convey my heartfelt thanks to our Radio Vishnu 90.4 and my sincere thanks to Simca and UNESCO for providing me this wonderful opportunity. Jai Hind.